Hello guys, how to fix if AirDrop function not working on your iPhone? If AirDrop not working in your iPhone, then here are the fixes. And first, unlock your iPhone and force restart your iPhone. Or simple restart you can make. So simply turn off your iPhone and restart it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve major issues of any device. After restart, check whether your AirDrop error resolved or not, AirDrop working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is turn off your internet connection, Wi-Fi connection or Bluetooth both, and after some times again turn on both the feature Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and make sure that your personal hotspot is turned off. Personal hotspot should be turned off in your system. If not, turned off it. The next fixes is go tap on settings and tap on general settings, and here scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Again tap on reset and finally choose reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone with passcode or Face ID and again tap on reset network settings and check whether AirDrop in your iPhone working or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is tap on settings again, tap on your profile icon and here tap on iCloud and here tap on iCloud Drive. Go back is this function, sign out your iCloud and again re-sign in. The next fixes is tap on settings again, scroll down and tap on general and here tap on software update and make sure that any available update is downloaded. If not, simply download and install it in your system. The next workaround is again tap on settings and tap on general, tap on AirDrop and make sure that everyone for 10 minutes is option बिल्कुल